This a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit got super hot.
We just got to the airport, Boston International. Time to check in, get our flight tickets, get on the flight, and head over to Turkey, baby. That boy Hano got no shoes in the airport. It's unbelievable. Dude, what even just happened? The luggage machine like broke. He could not get his baggage for like 20 minutes. And I got my baggage. I was sitting there, shoes on, hat back on. I was feeling great. They had to pat me down though, because I ain't got nothing under my sweatshirt right now, like some bummy boy. And they had to pat me down because I wasn't gonna take that off and just go nipples out for everybody to see. But Hano, then he didn't get his luggage for like 25 minutes.
Fucking
just sitting there,
shoeless.
just clowning him. He's got no shoes on in the airport. I sent a photo to the group chat. I'm like, Hano got no shoes on in the airport. If he got his shoes back home, he's gonna have no shoes the whole trip. Everyone's laughing. They're like, no, Hano, how could you forget your shoes at home? It's like, you didn't forget shoes at home. What are you talking about? We just got munchies. It's a good time. We're on the flight, and I just picked the wrong language on my thing. So, I'm sure I could just fix it. Yeah, first thing. But I was scared that I was about to have a 11-hour flight and have a different language. So we're good though. We're good. And also, no one sat next to me and Nick. So look at all this room we got. Thing. I mean, we can hang out, grub, watch a movie, and really just relax for like 10 hours. Go time. Gonna watch the plane take off live. Me and Nick are trying to pick a movie right now to watch. I don't freaking know. We're gonna watch one together though. I don't know what he's got booted up right now. Oh, he's looking for the menu. We're about to get some grub. That boy's hungry. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Some pasta. That's chocolate cake, a piece of bread, a cookie, some grapes, I think. I don't know what is this? Oh, is this a salad or something? Yeah. Thumbs up so far. We're nice and comfy. Nice. He got grub too. Same thing. It's crazy, huh? We're back. I'm getting like deja vu right now. I remember this was right where I blew my. Let's do it again. It's the perfect spot to do it. Ears are clean now. I have to look at my WhatsApp though because they sent me where we're supposed to go to find the driver. So I need to remember the number. Last time we went up to a guy and I was like, for Chris? Nope. And I was like, ah, shit. He's like, hey, you picking up Chris? No, not me. All right. I just scanned my little passport there. And that's all it takes. Here we are. Okay, so before I flew out yesterday, Vera Clinic had WhatsApped me and they showed me, I'm not gonna show all the info, but they gave me all the info for like pickup and location and showed me pictures of the airport and everything. I've been here before, so I know how to do it. I basically just walk out of Terminal 14 here and look for sign number 38, walk up to the guy, say, my name's Chris, and then he goes and gets the driver. I follow him and get in a little van. It's a nice little comfy van. I'm sure you guys remember from last year. And if not, stick around. You're about to find out. I also can't wait to rest because like I got like 2 hours of sleep. So, dude, that was hilarious. I'm standing there and there's like it's pretty hectic out here. There's a lot of people, and I found the number, but I didn't know who to go up to, like who exactly was the one. And then I look, I'm getting a call from WhatsApp. I answer it, and I just look around, and the guy just looks at me and goes, "Yeah." I was like, "Okay, bet." And now he just told us to stand here, and they're gonna go and get the van and probably follow him into the van. And I'll see you guys when we get into the van. Peace. All here to pick up some people, so I'm super pumped. Here we go, we're back. Oh man. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. This is awesome. Little leg room. Show the feet. Busted shoes. Dude, this is crazy. Thank you. Whew. Thank you so much. We're here. Oh, we beat. We've made it. We're here. I've got my dogs out. Check out my car crash scar on my foot, by the way. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys. Pretty nasty. It's a good time. But I am super, super happy to be here and finally at the hotel because we have been traveling all day long. I don't know about Nick here, but I am so jet lagged right now. What time is it here right now? It's 4:18 here right now. And that means where we flew out of in Boston, it is 9:18. Shout out Nick for the quick math. Appreciate that alley-oop there. We might even dip and check out the city. I don't know. But tomorrow I'm waking up and I'm getting my stem cell treatment. And then I have the rest of tomorrow and the next day to chill and relax before I actually get my hair transplant. So we got time to just enjoy ourselves for a little bit here. Also the Discovery Channel, I'm probably going to meet them tomorrow, I assume, once I get to the clinic. Because we're filming a TV show. So, cool. We have officially changed. Now I'm feeling very ready to go out. We're going to actually go and explore the city a little bit because I didn't do it last year. It's a whole different trip, a whole different experience for even more beginnings. They call me a poet, but they don't call me Shakespeare, but I will call your mother. Anyway, we're about to embark on a journey. We're going to call an Uber. And he went somewhere last time when I was in here after my transplant, just chilling in the room. And I'm very aware that after my transplant, I really can't do anything except sit in this room because you can't really go outside. While I'm here for a couple of days before I get the transplant, I want to enjoy it and make the most of it. It's probably my last time in Turkey, maybe ever. So it's really cool. I want to make the most of it. So come along with this journey. Now this vlog will be chilling and tourist stuff until it becomes transplant stuff. We do a little bit of it all on this channel. Chrishairjourney, more like Chris Life Journey. Let's get it going. Oh my God. Whoa, look around, look at it. We took a taxi, checking out some things. This is really beautiful, to be honest. It feels like a whole different world. It's actually so awesome. I'm loving it though. It's nice and relaxing. It's beautiful out. I checked the weather too. The entire week we're here, it's nothing but sun, nothing but straight sun. It's exactly how it was last time. I'm wondering, does it rain here? Does it rain ever? I love traveling. I always have. I get it from my grandmother. Shout out my Nana. I've always loved traveling and seeing different cultures and stuff like that. It's just a really cool experience. I think it makes you a better, whole-rounded person in general to see the world and all the different angles that you can see and how everybody lives. Oh my gosh, there's a kitty right there. Look. Oh my gosh. What a cutie. So we just went to a gift shop and we got some goodies. I actually ended up buying it's like a gold teapot. You can't really tell because it's in the bubble wrap right now, but it's honestly kind of sick. It looks very Game of Thronesy. Yeah, so now we're about to go find some grub. I want to eat some good food, so find a nice little spot. Also, the driver texted me on WhatsApp for tomorrow, and they're picking us up at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow so I can get my stem cell treatment. So it's good. We get to sleep in a little bit. So, all right, when we find a restaurant and get some food, I'll catch up with you boys. First bite ever of falafel in my entire life. I'll be honest. Here we go. Matter of fact, double thumbs up. I don't even care about my meal. Look at Nick's meal. That's fire. What is it, Nick? It's a chicken casserole. Chicken casserole. That's what we call a good time. Time to dig in. Sayonara. Okay. I fed these cats once and now they want to go home with me. They're just waiting for food. Look at them. So adorable though. Oh, he's a cutie.
tail. Buddy. So cute.
Got some leftovers here. And it was a good meal. It was a good meal. Those guys were chill. Those guys were funny. We were actually messing with a salesman guy to like get people to come and eat, and Nick was about to help him do his job because he asked for it. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are enjoying these longer form vlogs as well, throw it down in the comments. If you're actually still here watching this video, put in the comments, Nick is a goofball. And if I see that someone says Nick is a goofball, I'll know that it's because you stayed this long in the video. But we're about to go to the hotel and probably go to sleep soon. Probably about to end this first day here soon. I'm tired. I'm excited to be rejuvenated for tomorrow and get the stem cell treatment right away. 9:30, baby. Let's do it. iPhone unavailable. Are we for real? I'm gonna go to sleep. The director of the Discovery Channel TV show that I'm gonna be in just reached out to me and basically told me not to wear anything that has logos on it, and that I know that I'm leaving at 9:30, but now they want me to meet them downstairs in the hotel at 8:30 because they want to get me mic'd up, introduce me to the crew, and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna have a day tomorrow. We're gonna have a day. I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm gonna rest up, and it's gonna be really fun tomorrow. It's gonna be really fun. I'm excited to meet the whole film crew and get to it. You know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna freshen up. Chat with you guys one more time before we end day one. Hey guys, sleepy time. You know what I mean? Time to go to bed. I'm so exhausted. I've been exhausted all day, as you can probably tell throughout all the videos. So right now I'm gonna get some much needed slumber. Tomorrow we wake up, meet the film crew downstairs, have some breakfast, and go get that stem cell therapy. And then we can just chill and do whatever we want for the rest of the day tomorrow and the next day. And then it'll be transplant time. So we're going to fast forward to the morning for you guys. Day one will end here. Day two will be a separate video. Talk soon. So yeah, I'm about to get my head shaved now. And it's go time, baby. We're here. Let's do it.